So for this problem, to find the equation of a tangent line to the ellipse, then parallel to this line. So this is the formula to find the equation of a tangent line to this ellipse. Then first, we need to rewrite this equation of an ellipse in a standard form. So this is the standard form, x squared over a squared then plus y squared over b squared then equals 1. So from this given equation, x squared plus 4y squared equals 8. So to make this equation equal to 1, we need to divide every terms by these numbers. So divide by 8. So this becomes x squared over 8 then plus this 4 over 8. This one is 1 half. Or y squared over 2 then equals 1. So this is now the standard equation for this ellipse. Then from this, so we can find now the value for a squared and b squared using this formula. Then this time, we need to find now the slope from the equation of this parallel line. So that's x plus 2y equals 6. Then we need to solve for y. So transpose this positive 6 to the other side. So this becomes 2y equals negative x, then plus 6. Then divide every terms by 2 to solve for y. So y equals negative 1 over 2x then plus. So this is positive 3. Then from the formula of a slope, so y equals mx plus b and m is the slope. So therefore, from this equation of the parallel line, the slope or m equals negative 1 half. So since this one is a parallel line, therefore the slope of the tangent line is also negative 1 half. So since we have now the slope, the a squared and b squared, so we can find now the equation of this tangent line. So the equation of tangent line, then from this formula, so y equals the slope or m is negative 1 half, then x, then plus minus the square root of a squared and a squared is equal to 8, then times the slope negative 1 half to the power 2, then plus the b squared, that's 2. Then to simplify, so negative 1 half x, then plus minus the square root. This is 8, then times this negative 1 half to the power 2. This is 1/4, then plus 2. Or y equals negative 1 half x, then plus minus. So this 8 divided by 4, that's 2. Then plus 2. Then y equals negative 1 half x, then plus minus the square root of 4. So to find now the equation of this tangent line, so y equals negative 1 half x, then plus minus, so the square root of 4 is 2. So these are now the equation of the tangent line. Or this is equal to y equals negative 1 half x plus 2, and the other one, y equals negative 1 half x, then minus 2.